Here at the Carroll County Career and Technology Center, not only do we learn, but we also produce. The Manufacturing Machine Technologies program not only teaches you how to run machines, but also how to design and create blueprints needed to produce parts. In today's industry, everything that occurs in machine shops is taught here at the Tech Center to keep up with the world's fast-paced technology. First, you start by getting to know what each machine is and what each machine is specifically used for. Here at the Tech Center, we have computerized and manual machines to produce parts more effectively and more precisely. By using these computerized, numerically controlled, or CNC machines, you design a part in the CAD/CAM software called GibbsCAM and then transfer the program to the machine to be produced. If you walked into a normal machine shop and walked into the Tech Center machine shop and didn't know it was a school, it would look like a regular shop to you. This helps to keep everyone up to date on today's technology and learning the same as the industry does. The Manufacturing and Machine Technology program creates a fun, hands-on experience, but at the same time also helps you learn all about the industry and what it holds for the future.